Angel, Angel, shush, we aren't even on holiday yet and you're already being real noisy.
7 minutes, 7 minutes.
Angel, shh. We are going on holiday and Angel has not stopped singing the whole way. You know where we are, Angel? We're in Nottingham. Who lives in Nottingham?
Tiana.
Yeah, but we're not going to go see Tiana today. We're going, where are we going?
To park.
We're going to Centre Parks.
6 minutes.
Oh no, Angel! Right, that's it. I'm opening all the windows.
6 minutes. 6 minutes.
Yeah, all the windows are open. Can't take any more. Right, I'm going to scream out the window. Ah! She won't stop screaming! Have you finished?
7 minutes.
Angel, look where we are. Look where we are. We're at Centre Park.
Do with all those bags?
Come on, let's go. I'm going up the tree.
You are so lazy. You are so lazy, all of you.
You're lazy. Ha ha.
There, look. Can you see it right there?
Here.
There, that one.
This one.
There.
Yay!
Angel,
What do you want?
it's raining.
I don't even need a coat, and I'm going to the toy shop. Goodbye.
Leah, we can't just go to the toy shop without any, without your coat on, Angel.
Doesn't matter.
Where are you going? Let me zoom this camera in. Angel, come back. Angel. We told you do not go in that puddle.
I am.
The dirt, please.
That's too
this
deep.
money's mine.
Look at Leah. You can't go through there. Go around. Come on.
Come on, quick. No, it's that way.
No, it's this way.
Oh.
Oh, Leah. Let me look at your knees. Oh,
You've only just got dressed.
Leah.
My glasses are nearly getting slimmed up.
Angel, we've been at Centre Parks 2 minutes. You are not going in there. Angel, come out. Angel, come out. Angel. Angel, we're supposed to be going swimming. Come out. Look at that. Angel. Angel. Look. No. Come on, out. Out. Angel. Angel, come on, we're going swimming. Leo! You can't just help yourselves to chocolates. Wait, got you. Go on, out. Out. Out, go on, get out. Come on, we're going swimming. Out. Out. You're so naughty. Angel cannot stop shopping.
Hi guys. So I'm going in Just Kids to buy you 2 subscribers who commented on this video. So come with me. First I'm going to choose Adam.
Don't you jump in there, Leah. We're going to get a toy for Adam and Lydia because they commented on our last video. So we are going to get Adam and Lydia a toy.
Adam, one of these.
You're going to get Adam a blind bag?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, no problem. What are you going to get Lydia? Oh, what about something with a name on?
I don't want anything with anybody's name on.
You don't want anything with anybody's name on?
No.
Angel, how old do you think Lydia is?
About 8.
About 8.
Yeah, about 8.
What do you want to get her then?
Maybe something from Shopkins.
Shopkins. Oh.
You choose. Daddy, you get to choose one of those or one of those.
Okay.
Or that one.
What is this?
Wild Style.
A Wild Style.
That one's Series 9 of Shopkins.
Or a Series 9 Shopkins. I think Lydia, because she comments all the time, should be allowed both. I think Lydia should get both.
Okay.
That's it, guys. Because Lydia comments on our videos all the time. You want to get Lydia that? Oh. Oh, what about a Pick Me Pop? I think Lydia should definitely get one of these Shopkins. and a Pick Me Pop.
What?
And a Pick Me Pop series too. Oh, mushy. You think mushy? Okay.
Because you
And a glam bag.
comment like on all of our videos.
Yeah.
You get one of these.
You wanted to get one of those? It's posted. It's a bit big, isn't it? Yeah. So because you've commented on all our videos, Lydia, we have got you 2 gifts. Okay. So guys, don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe, and put your name down below, and you can get a gift.
Come on, then. Daddy, I want to choose something for me too.
Are you getting something for you?
Yeah. Lydia and Adam, send your address in the comments.
No, not in the comments. In a message.
In a message.
Yeah, because if they send it in our comments, everybody can read their address. If you send it to our email address, which is in the description below, and we will post them out. Yeah? Post them tomorrow. We'll go to the post office and send them.
Yep.
Okay.
All of these toys.
Should we say bye to everybody now so we can do some shopping?